we are going to see about a new competition. Test your road safety quiz, knowledge quiz, conducted at the My Government quiz platform. Let us see more information about the quiz competition. So this quiz competition has been organized in the My Government quiz page. So this quiz is an ingenious initiative by the Indian Road Safety Campaign (IRSC), solely developed for the purpose of creating awareness regarding road accidents, traffic laws, emergency services, new reforms, and safety all across the country. The quiz is aimed at making the roads and streets in India safer by raising awareness about how to avoid accidents and injuries while on the road. So, through this quiz, the participants will have the opportunity to assess their knowledge about roads and safety at the same time. Win rewards. So, the first prize will receive 5,000 rupees. Here they given the contact details through website, contact form, through email ID. They have given email ID or through indirect message on their social media channels. So the quiz will be open from 18th January 2021 to 10 February 2021. So there will be no negative marking in the quiz while you are attending the quiz. And in case of multiple participants having given same number of correct answers, the participants who take the least time to complete the quiz will be adjudged the winner. So there will be required to provide your name, email address. You have to update your My Government profile. Update your name or email address or telephone number and your postal address. Make sure that you have the current. Make sure you have the current email address or the current telephone number you are using. If not, then go and update your My Government profile. So this IRSC reserves all the rights to detrimental to the quiz. They can change the organizers of the quiz. So organizer's decision is the final. So you can skip a tough question and come back to it later. So I will just explain that afterwards. This is a timely quiz with 20 questions to be answered in 300 seconds. 20 questions to be answered in 300 seconds. Within 300 seconds, 20 questions will be randomly picked from the question bank. So all the questions are available in English only. So the participants shall abide by the rules and regulations of participating in the quiz from time to time. So you should obey all the terms and conditions. By entering the quiz, the entrant accepts and agrees to terms and conditions. So these terms and conditions shall be governed by the laws of judiciary, and hence the competition will be valid. So here, this is the timely quiz with 20 questions, as I said already. This is the pattern of this is the portrait of the quiz. If you are attending the quiz, here the questions are like in Hindi. Actually, it will be as in only in English, as they said here. In case of multiple participants having given same number of correct answers, the participants, which means the maximum number of correct answers in the least number of time. So that is the selection criteria of the quiz competition. You can skip a tough question and come back to it later. Here you can see the option skip, and you can go to the next question. Here you can see the gray color is to indicate, so you can also go back to previous screen. Gray color is to indicate the quiz which you skipped. And now we can just log in to play quiz. We can just click log in to play quiz. If you are new to My Government, go and register. If you are already registered, updated your My Government profile, just log in to play the quiz.
And now friends, here you can just see that I have just logged in with my email address, with my account, and now it shows like start quiz. Once you click this start quiz button, the quiz will start. So let's start the quiz.
Now friends, I have completed the quiz. So thank you for participating in the quiz competition. And here, if I click here, you can just download your e-certificate, which will be automatically generated. You have to wait for a while. And now you can see here, test your road safety knowledge certificate. Once you have completed your quiz competition, you can't view your score. After February 2, which means the deadline, after the deadline of the quiz competition, after the quiz competition finish, here automatically the marks of your quiz competition appears. So you can view it after the deadline of the competition. So now if you download Now you can download here. Click here to download your e-certificate. Here friends, now I have downloaded my e-certificate. It says that certificate of participation. So this certificate, that competition world has participated in the quiz on road safety organized by Indian Road Safety Campaign and Ministry of Road Transport and Highways during the National Road Safety Month 2021. So the Vice President of Road Safety Campaign has also given his signature. You can see here the logo of those authorities. This is a true certificate which you can convert it into an e-certificate. It is in the form of e-certificate which you can convert it into a handmade certificate. You can print the certificate. So
Participate in this Test Your Road Safety Knowledge Quiz Competition, latest quiz competition from 18 January to 10 February. Share this video with your friends who are interested in quiz competitions, attending quiz competitions. Participate in every quiz competitions. Actually, there are many quiz competitions, and the deadline is actually going to end. Like Kisan Divas quiz is going to end its deadline, and Eat Right quiz and the gender sensitization legal awareness. We have put videos on some of the quiz competitions and explained. If you have any doubts on regarding the quiz competition, you can ask in the comments. I will clarify it as soon as possible. So subscribe to our channel for more information like this. Thank you friends, keep supporting us. Thank you.